Welcome to
Bulldozer Crafts. Hi everyone, my name is Sharon. Today we are in session 5, Foundation for Life. We are going to be building a rock trivet. This craft teaches us that we need to be like the wise man who built his house on the rock. Building our house on the rock is like putting our trust in Jesus and obeying him. We shouldn't be like the foolish man who built his house on the sand. This house does not stand the wind and the storm. Instead, we should put our trust in Jesus and trust him because he's our foundation for life. Whenever we look at this craft, I want to remind you to be like the wise man and build your house on the Lord. So first, we will take a cardboard and stick felt pieces in the back. Stick 4 felt pieces on each of the corners of the square. Now turn it around and put glue on the front side of the square. Use the pebbles or the little stones you have and stick them on the square. Gradually stick each of the stones you have, starting from the center. Keep sticking the stones and putting glue and sticking them till you fill up the entire square. So now I'm going to show you what the final piece looks like. Wait for it to dry before you take a picture or take a video of it, and make sure to send it to the email on the phone number you see on the screen. If you missed any of the steps, you can always go back and watch this video so you can finish your craft. Have fun making this one.